Since time immemorial, humans have understood the power of touch. Across cultures and continents, massage has been an integral part of healing traditions. From the ancient Ayurvedic practices of India to the Tuina techniques of China, civilizations have recognized the therapeutic benefits of manipulating the body's soft tissues. Massage can ease muscle tension, improve circulation, and promote a sense of well-being. It's a practice deeply rooted in our history, offering solace and restoration for millennia. Yet for all its enduring presence, massage therapy has often been relegated to the realm of alternative medicine in modern Western societies. While gaining acceptance for its ability to alleviate pain and reduce stress, it has yet to be fully embraced as a primary medical treatment. But what if an ancient secret hidden for centuries held the key to unlocking the full potential of massage therapy? What if this secret could revolutionize our approach to health and wellness, bridging the gap between traditional wisdom and modern medicine? Deep within the annals of history lies the story of Chrism oil, a sacred anointing oil mentioned in ancient texts. This enigmatic oil, once used by civilizations past for its potent healing properties, was believed to possess extraordinary therapeutic benefits. Legends spoke of its ability to alleviate pain, accelerate healing, and even combat serious ailments. But as empires crumbled and knowledge faded into obscurity, the precise formulation of Chrism oil was lost to time. For centuries, the secrets of Chrism oil remained hidden, buried beneath layers of history. Then, a remarkable discovery breathed new life into this ancient tradition. Ethnobotanist Sara Benet, while researching Polish folk remedies in the early 20th century, stumbled upon intriguing clues suggesting the oil's continued existence. Her work sparked renewed interest in Chrism oil, setting in motion a quest to unlock its mysteries. Decades later, a team of researchers at Stanford University, armed with Bennett's findings and fragments of ancient texts, embarked on a groundbreaking endeavor to reconstruct this lost elixir. The Stanford team's meticulous research, spanning years of dedicated effort, culminated in a pivotal moment, the successful reconstruction of Chrism oil. But what they discovered went beyond merely replicating an ancient recipe. Their analysis revealed a profound synergy between the oil's individual components, a carefully orchestrated blend designed to work in harmony with the body's intricate systems. Chrism oil wasn't just a random concoction, it was a testament to the advanced understanding our ancestors had of nature's healing power. At the heart of Chrism oil's efficacy lies a fascinating interplay between its potent ingredients and the body's physiological responses to stress. Chronic stress, as modern medicine has come to understand, wreaks havoc on our systems, creating a breeding ground for inflammation, disease, and premature aging. Chrism oil, with its unique blend of botanical extracts, appears to counteract these harmful effects, effectively addressing the root cause of many modern ailments. It's as if this ancient remedy holds the key to unlocking the body's innate healing potential, guiding it back to a state of balance and vitality. Section 4. The formulation: Nature's Symphony of Healing. The power of Chrism oil lies not only in its historical significance, but also in its carefully chosen ingredients. Each component plays a crucial role, working synergistically to create a powerful healing agent. Olive oil. This base oil, rich in antioxidants, serves as a carrier for the other ingredients, facilitating their absorption and enhancing their therapeutic benefits. Cannabis extract. A potent anti-inflammatory cannabis extract, rich in cannabinoids like CBD and THC, provides pain relief, reduces inflammation, and promotes relaxation. Cassia, known for its antimicrobial and vasodilatory properties, cassia boosts circulation, fights infection, and supports metabolic function. Myrrh, this ancient resin, revered for its healing properties, promotes wound healing, reduces inflammation, and supports the immune system. Cinnamon, a powerful antioxidant, cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels, combats oxidative stress, and enhances circulation, promoting healing and overall well-being. Together, these ingredients form a powerful symphony of healing, each one complementing and enhancing the effects of the others. It's a testament to the wisdom of ancient healers who understood the intricate relationship between nature and the human body. Chrism oil is not merely a collection of ingredients, it's a carefully crafted formula that harnesses the power of nature to restore balance and promote healing. Section 5. A new era of healing: Chrism oil and the future of medicine. The rediscovery of Chrism oil has the potential to revolutionize modern medicine, offering a new paradigm for treating a wide range of conditions. Imagine a world where massage therapy, empowered by Chrism oil, transitions from a complementary practice to a recognized medical treatment, covered by insurance and integrated into mainstream healthcare. This ancient remedy could hold the key to addressing the growing crisis of chronic diseases, offering a natural and effective alternative to pharmaceuticals, with their often undesirable side effects. Early clinical trials exploring the effects of Chrism oil massage therapy have shown promising results in managing conditions like arthritis, chronic pain, and even diabetic wounds. The oil's ability to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and promote tissue regeneration has garnered interest from medical professionals seeking effective and holistic treatment options for their patients. As research continues and more data becomes available, Chrism oil could usher in a new era of healthcare, one where ancient wisdom and modern science work hand in hand to unlock the body's full healing potential. The future of medicine might just lie in the past, waiting to be rediscovered and embraced.